So let's start our discussion on 3D-dimensional geometry. So already I have completed the straight line part. Now today I am going to discuss the plane. So already I told you that 3D-dimensional geometry is divided into two parts, that is straight line and plane. So straight line का जितना formulas जो concept चाहिए था, even with examples I have explained all these things. Now today I am going to start plane. Okay. Now what is plane? A plane is a surface. सबको पता है प्लेन क्या है, फिर भी मैं एक डेफिनेशन एक बार लिख के दिया. A plane is a surface such that a line segment joining any 2 points on it lies wholly on it. That is the basic definition of a plane. Okay, plane कुछ नहीं है, it is a surface only. Okay, a plane is a surface such that a line segment joining any 2 points on it lies wholly on it. तो मतलब वो लाइन वो प्लेन में ही रहेगा. Plane is nothing but a surface only. Okay, like straight lines. And straight line part also we discussed the various types of equations of straight lines, right? So in case of plane also you have to study the different types of equations of plane. Okay, the first one is equation of a plane in normal form. Equation of a plane in normal form. Now what do you mean by normal? Normal is nothing but a perpendicular. जब मैं ये derivation जब explain करूंगा तब clear हो जाएगा. Okay, first one is equation of a plane in normal form. जैसे straight line में भी दो form का equation मिला, one is a vector form, another one is a Cartesian form. In case of plane also you will get two types of equation, that is vector equation as well as a Cartesian equation. Okay, so equation of a plane in normal form, you see, consider this is a plane ABC. Suppose ABC is a plane. Already I told you that plane is nothing but a surface only. Okay, consider ABC is a plane whose perpendicular distance from the origin is D. Whose perpendicular distance from the origin, this is origin, whose perpendicular distance from the origin is D. ये small letter D जो मैं लिखा. If ON, this ON, if ON, vector ON is the normal from the origin to the plane ABC, I have not mentioned the name of the plane. Actually the name of the plane is here ABC. Okay, if ON bar is the normal, what is normal? Normal is nothing but perpendicular. Okay, if ON bar is the normal from the origin to the plane, and n cap is the unit normal vector along ON bar. That means ON bar का जो unit vector है वो n cap से denote किया गया है. N cap is the unit vector. Vector means what? Which have magnitude as well as direction, right? So n cap is the unit normal vector along ON bar, along this vector ON bar. Okay, now what is ON? ON is nothing but normal line. ये कहाँ पे है? प्लेन ABC में है. ओके, और ये स्मॉल लेटर D क्या है? स्मॉल लेटर D is nothing but the perpendicular distance from the origin. Okay, consider a plane ABC whose perpendicular distance from the origin is D, where D is not equal to 0. ON bar is nothing but the normal line to the plane ABC. So that means if ON bar is the normal from the origin, yes, ON bar matlab you can see the direction ON, O to N. That means the initial point is here O and the terminal point is here N. So ON bar is the normal from the origin to the plane, and n cap is nothing but the unit vector along ON bar. Okay, then ON bar is equal to D into n cap. Now the question is, how can we write ON bar is equal to D into n cap? What is n cap? What is this n cap? N cap is nothing but the unit vector along the direction of O n bar. Yes. Then how can we write O n bar is equal to D into n cap? Now you see, मैं ये स्टेप डायरेक्ट लिख दिया. Now I will explain how can we write O n bar is equal to D into n cap. What is n cap? N cap is unit vector and we know how to find the value of a unit vector. Formula क्या है? N cap is equal to what? N bar by magnitude of n bar. Yes. And this n bar is nothing but O n bar only according to our figure. Yes. This divided by magnitude of n bar. Magnitude किसका होता है? सिर्फ स्केलर का. Yes. So magnitude of n bar is nothing but here small letter d. Okay. Small letter d. D is nothing but the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. Okay. So here the value of magnitude of n bar is d. So if you cross multiply it, then we can write now O n bar is equal to D into n cap. So from here we can write O n bar is equal to D dot n cap. Okay. N cap is equal to, we all know n bar by magnitude of n. So n bar is nothing but here O n, because n cap is the unit normal vector along the direction of O n bar. This bar represents the direction, that means vector only. So n bar is nothing but here O n bar only. Okay. So from this formula only we can derive O n bar is equal to D into n cap. Okay. So that's why we can write O n bar is equal to D dot n cap. Now let P be any point on the plane. हमेशा जैसे स्ट्रेट लाइन में भी एक आर्बिट्ररी पॉइंट लेना पड़ता था in order to construct any equation. Why? Because without unknown variable we cannot find any equation, right? So that's why here also, like straight line in plane also, you have to consider a point P whose coordinates say x, y, z. Let P be any arbitrary point in the plane ABC. Okay? You can see here P of x, y, z. P is any arbitrary point. Where it lies? It lies on the plane ABC. Okay? Such that NP is perpendicular on ON. See this diagram. NP is perpendicular on ON. ठीक से डायग्राम को देख लो. डायग्राम में सब कुछ दिया हुआ है. ये तो मैं सिर्फ डायग्राम देख के ये सब नोट्स लिखा. ओके. P is any general point on the plane ABC such that NP is perpendicular to ON. So if NP is perpendicular to ON, we know if two vectors, suppose if A bar and B bar are perpendicular to each other, then we can write A dot B is equal to 0. Yes or not? If A bar and B bar are perpendicular to each other, then A dot B is equal to 0. So here also, since NP is perpendicular to ON, so therefore can I write NP bar dot ON bar is equal to 0, because NP and NP suppose A bar and ON suppose B bar. So NP dot ON is equal to 0, dot product is 0. Say this is equation 1. Now from the triangle law of vector addition, ये तो एक triangle shape है, ये जो black color का figure है, it is a triangle only. So from a triangle law of vector addition, we can write NON plus NP is equal to OP. Okay? क्यों चाहिए? क्यों यहाँ पे triangle law of vector addition का concept use हुआ? Because since here I have mentioned here equation 1 and we know the value of ON bar. What is the value of ON bar? D dot n cap. ये कहाँ से मिला मैं explain कर दिया. Now NP bar. What is NP bar? ये NP bar का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए ट्राइंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन यूज किया गया है यहाँ पे. ओके. सो फ्रॉम ट्राइंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन वी कैन राइट ON bar plus NP bar is equal to OP bar. Therefore NP bar is equal to OP minus ON. Okay. Now which is equal to I have written R bar minus D dot n cap. चलो D dot n cap तो पता चल गया because ON bar, the value of ON bar is D dot n cap. So no problem. But how can we replace OP bar by R bar? Because I have considered that R bar, यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा छोटा हो गया ये स्पेस. R bar is the position vector of OP bar. This is small letter R is the position vector of OP bar. So that's why we can replace OP bar by R bar. Okay. So this is the value of NP bar. We can write then NP bar is equal to R minus D dot n cap. Now from equation 1, that means now put the values of ON bar and NP bar in equation 1. So NP bar is R minus D dot N cap. Dot D dot N cap is equal to 0. Expand it, but before expansion we can say that since D is not equal to 0, since this D is not equal to 0, so सिर्फ N cap से multiply करना है, इसको expand करना है. So R dot N cap, this is R dot N cap minus, here also minus sign, D dot N cap dot N cap. Yes, since this D is not equal to 0, already I have mentioned distance cannot be 0 here. So that's why you have to multiply this N cap with this expression, this term, that is R dot N cap minus D dot N cap is equal to 0. That means R dot N cap is equal to D minus D है, इसको right hand side में लेके जाने से D हो जाएगा. Now N cap dot N cap is always 1 because we know is a unit vector and we know the magnitude of unit vector is always 1. So R dot N cap is equal to D, which is the vector equation of the plane in normal form. Okay, R bar dot N cap is equal to D is the vector equation of the plane in normal form. What is D? D is nothing but the perpendicular distance from the origin. What is N cap? N cap is the unit normal vector along ON bar. Okay, so this is all about the vector equation of a plane in normal form. Now we all know how can we convert a vector equation into Cartesian form. Now I will explain the Cartesian equation. You have to remember the equation. This is the vector equation, R dot N cap is equal to D. Now the Cartesian equation. Now for Cartesian equation, always we have to put, or we have to consider the coordinates of the arbitrary point x comma y comma z. Okay, so let the coordinates of P be x comma y comma z. Already I have mentioned in this diagram. Okay, therefore OP bar is equal to R bar is equal to, we can write it as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Yes, since R bar is the position vector of OP bar, so we can represent these coordinates in vector form, and you have to represent in vector form because we are converting the vector equation into Cartesian equation, right? Cartesian means free from direction. इसीलिए ये सब R bar N cap ये सब के जगह में वेक्टर फॉर्म में रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, सो OP bar is equal to R bar is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Let, what is this N cap? N cap is the unit normal vector. Now let small letter L comma M comma N be the direction cosines of N cap. Okay, so therefore we can write N cap is equal to Li cap plus Mj cap plus Nk cap. Since we are considering element with the direction cosines of N cap, so N cap is equal to Li cap plus Mj cap plus Nk cap. So therefore this is, say, equation number 2. Put these values in equation number 2. So that is xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap dot Li cap plus Mj cap plus Nk cap. This is equal to D. Expand the left hand side part. That is Lx plus My plus Nz. This is equal to D, which is the Cartesian equation of the plane in normal form. Okay, Lx plus My plus Nz equal to D is the Cartesian equation of the plane in normal form. Element क्या है? These are nothing but the direction cosines. Now, if instead of direction cosines, direction ratios are given, then what we need to do? Just you have to replace this L, M, N by small letter A, B and C, because we all know direction ratios are denoted by A, B, C, right? So in that case you have to put N cap is equal to AI cap plus BJ cap plus CK cap. तो फिर इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगा? then equation will become ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. कुछ ज्यादा कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं है, जस्ट lmn के जगह में abc आ जाएगा if in the question direction ratios will be given. Okay, so then the equation will be ax plus by plus cz is equal to d. Otherwise lx plus my plus nz equal to d if the direction cosines will be given. So here all in the first case I have mentioned lmn with the direction cosines of n cap, so that's why the equation will be lx plus my plus nz is equal to d. What is this d? Again I am telling that d is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. Okay, so this is all about the first equation of a plane in normal form. I have explained vector form as well as a Cartesian form. Okay, now based on this equation, this formula, now I am going to discuss 2 or 3 examples. Okay, if I discuss examples, then it will be easy to understand. So let us consider the first example. The question is, find the vector equation of the plane which is at a distance of 6 by under root 29 from the origin and its normal vector from the origin, and its normal vector from the origin is 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. इसके साथ चलो और एक क्वेश्चन ऐड कर देता हूं. Also find the Cartesian equation. See, if you know how to find the vector equation, you can easily find the Cartesian equation also. Okay, so first of all try to find the vector equation. क्या क्या दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में? The vector equation of a plane which is at a distance of 6 by under root 29 from the origin. तो ये 6 by under root 29 from the origin is nothing but the value of d, 6 by under root 29, and its normal vector from the origin. Normal vector का मतलब है on bar is given, not n cap. 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Okay, normal vector means on bar is given, not n cap. अगर ऐसा मेंशन कर देता तो यूनिट वेक्टर मेंशन करता, then in that case you have to write n cap only. Okay, so here on bar is given, but there is no use of on bar. Since you are asked to find the vector equation of the plane which is at a distance of 6 by root 29 from the origin, we know the formula of vector equation is r dot n cap is equal to d, right? So here d is given 6 by root 29. What about n cap? Since on bar is given, so we can find n cap also. N cap is equal to, we all know, n bar by magnitude of n. So n bar, that means 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap by under root 4 plus 9 plus 16. So that is 2 by root 29 I cap minus 3 by root 29 j cap plus 4 by root 29 k cap. This is n cap. So put these values in this equation. Say this is equation number 1. R dot, put the value of n cap, that is 2 by root 29 I cap minus 3 by root 29 j cap plus 4 by root 29 k cap. This is equal to 6 by root 29. Okay, so root 29 will be cancelled. So equation क्या हो जाएगा? R dot और यू कैन राइट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, ये भी फाइनल आंसर हो जाएगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ओके, बेटर यू राइट अप टू हियर ओनली. सो 6/√29. So which is the vector equation of the plane at a distance of 6/√29 from the origin. Okay, O(n) bar is given, not n cap. ये confusion नहीं रखना है. So since we know the vector equation, now we can easily determine the Cartesian equation. So for Cartesian equation, what we need to do? Vector से Cartesian convert करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? देखो, if you want to convert any vector equation into Cartesian form, then first you have to find the magnitude of n cap. That means this one. इसका magnitude find out करना पड़ेगा. Okay? Before that you have to make sure that the right hand side part, that means the distance part, is positive or negative. If it is positive, then there is no problem. If it is negative, make it positive by multiplying minus on both sides, because we know distance cannot be negative. ठीक है, मैं अभी जो पार्ट एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूं दैट इज फॉर कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं? इन ऑर्डर टू कन्वर्ट एनी वेक्टर इक्वेशन इनटू कार्टेशियन फॉर्म, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू मेक इट श्योर दैट वेदर डिस्टेंस पार्ट इज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. इफ इट इज पॉजिटिव देन देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, बट इफ इट इज नेगेटिव, कन्वर्ट इट इनटू पॉजिटिव बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग माइनस ऑन बोथ साइड. तो यहाँ पे देखो डिस्टेंस ऑलरेडी पॉजिटिव है, देन देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. देन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज फाइंड द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ n कैप. तो मतलब ये जो n कैप का वैल्यू मिला, ये n कैप का मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड आउट करना है. ओके, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग द हिंट, यू कैन फाइंड इजिली. फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ n कैप. सो वॉट एवर वैल्यू विल गेट, देन जस्ट यू हैव टू पुट इट हियर एंड देन सिंप्लीफाई इट, यू विल गेट द कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन. ओके, find the magnitude of n, then whatever value will get, you just put it here, you will get the Cartesian equation. Just I am giving the hint, you try to solve the second part. Okay, some more examples I will explain. So the next question is, find the direction cosines of the unit vector perpendicular to the plane r dot 6i cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap plus 1 is equal to 0. Passing through the origin. Again I am repeating the question. You are asked to find the direction cosines of the unit vector. It is not normal vector, unit vector पूछा. Of the unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane. Here the equation of the plane is given in vector form only. To the plane passing through the origin. Okay, so in order to find the direction cosines of the unit vector, first of all you have to check the equation of the plane is given in Cartesian form or in vector form. So clearly we can say that the equation is in Cartesian form, because here r bar is given, right? And along with r bar, the remaining normal vector is given in terms of I cap, j cap and k cap. So clearly we can say that it is in vector form. So the first step to find the direction cosines of the unit vector perpendicular to any vector is shift the constant term on right hand side. So r dot 6i cap minus 3j cap minus 2k cap is equal to -1. Okay, shift the constant term on right hand side. after shifting the constant term on right hand side, then make it sure that whether it is positive or negative. If it is negative, then you have to convert it into positive by multiplying minus on both sides. So since this term is negative, so multiply minus on both sides, then it will be r dot minus 6i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap, this is equal to 1. Why we need to multiply minus on both sides? Because we know that distance cannot be नेगेटिव, सो इसीलिए माइनस को प्लस करने के लिए बोथ साइड में माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ा. ओके, सो आफ्टर मल्टीप्लाइंग माइनस ऑन बोथ साइड, देन find the magnitude of this normal vector. This is a normal vector, not a unit vector. This is normal vector. Okay, मतलब ये o n bar का वैल्यू है, not n cap. But you are asked to find the direction cosines of the unit vector, not normal vector. So that's why you have to find the magnitude of this normal vector. So magnitude of 6i cap plus 3j cap plus 2k cap, this is equal to, we know how to find the magnitude, that is 36 plus 9 plus 4, this is equal to 7. Okay, then divide both sides by 7. So if we divide both sides by 7, then we can write r dot minus 6 by 7 I cap plus 3 by 7 j cap plus 2 by 7 k cap, this is equal to 1 by 7. Why we need to divide both sides by 7? Now if we compare this equation with r dot n cap is equal to d, we know equation of a plane in normal form is r dot n cap is equal to d. Yes or not? और मैं वो भी बताया था कि r का वैल्यू हमेशा x i कैप प्लस y j कैप प्लस z k कैप लेना चाहिए, और n कैप का वैल्यू दैट मीन्स l i कैप प्लस m j कैप प्लस n k कैप लेना चाहिए in order to convert the vector equation into Cartesian form. Yes, so what are these L M N? These are nothing but the direction cosines. So here also if we compare this equation with the standard formula, then we can say that here L is minus 6 by 7, M is 3 by 7 and N is 2 by 7. So these are the direction cosines of the unit vector perpendicular to the plane. डायरेक्शन कोसाइन किसका फाइंड आउट करना है? यूनिट वेक्टर का. सो दिस इज अ नॉर्मल वेक्टर. वी कैनॉट राइट 6 minus 3 minus 2 आर द डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस बिकॉज दिस इज नॉर्मल वेक्टर. मतलब ओ एन बार का वैल्यू है, लेकिन हम लोग को तो यूनिट वेक्टर का फाइंड आउट करना है, तो मतलब एन कैप चाहिए, एन कैप चाहिए. सो एन कैप चाहिए. एन कैप का फॉर्मूला क्या है? एन कैप इज इक्वल टू एन बार बाय magnitude of n bar. Yes or not? And this n bar is nothing but o n bar only divided by magnitude of n bar. So magnitude of n bar find out कर लिया. This is the magnitude 7. o n bar, we all know o n bar means this one only. So o n bar by magnitude of n bar. So if you compare this equation with the standard form, then only we can say that the coefficients of I cap, j cap and k cap are the direction cosines. Okay. Next question. ऐसा different model का explain कर रहा हूँ मैं. Till now I have given only one equation of a plane, that is with derivation. Okay. So वही equations का ही different क्वेश्चंस में एक्सप्लेन कर रहा हूँ. एक ही इक्वेशन से कितना मॉडल्स का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, एक बार देख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द प्लेन of the plane twice x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 equal to 0 from the origin. From the origin. Now here you can see the question. You are asked to find the distance. Distance का मतलब है जो right hand side में d का value होता है, that is called distance, right? So find the distance of the plane. Here the equation of the plane is not in vector form. Here the equation of the plane is given in Cartesian form. Okay? This is the third example of the first derivation. So ये third example में जो equation है plane का वो Cartesian form में है, इसीलिए मैं वेक्टर फॉर्म कार्टेशियन फॉर्म दोनों का ही एग्जांपल्स दे रहा हूँ. फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द प्लेन फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन. डिस्टेंस मीन्स द वैल्यू ऑफ डी. बट सिंस हियर द इक्वेशन इज गिवन इन कार्टेशियन फॉर्म, वी कैन रिमेंबर द कार्टेशियन इक्वेशन इज Lx प्लस My प्लस Nz इज इक्वल टू डी, राइट? यहाँ से जो d का वैल्यू है वही होगा डिस्टेंस का वैल्यू, दैट इज डिस्टेंस ऑफ द प्लेन फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन इज, we know that L, M, N are nothing but the direction cosines, not direction ratios. These are direction cosines. अगर direction ratio होगा तो direct we can say that AX plus BY plus CZ is equal to D. These are direction ratios, yes. तो जनरली मैं बोला था डायरेक्शन कोसाइन क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया रहता है, डायरेक्शन रेशियो क्वेश्चन, सॉरी डायरेक्शन कोसाइन दिया रहता है, डायरेक्शन रेशियो नहीं दिया रहता है. सो दीज आर डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस. इन ऑर्डर टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस, हियर आल्सो फर्स्ट शिफ्ट द कांस्टेंट टर्म ऑन राइट हैंड साइड, दैट इज +6 हो जाएगा. देन व्हाट वी नीड टू डू, find the direction cosines. Find the direction cosines. So how can we find direction cosines? You know, 2 by under root 4 plus 9 plus 16 comma minus 3 by under root 4 plus 9 plus 16 comma 4 by under root 4 plus 9 plus 16. That is 2 by root 29 minus 3 by root 29 4 by root 29. So these are what? Direction cosines. These are the direction cosines. So therefore we can write this equation as, or you divide both side by, और एक शॉर्टकट मेथड मैं बता रहा हूँ, dividing both sides by root 29, then we get 2 by root 29x minus 3 by root 29y plus 4 by root 29z. This is equal to 6 by root 29. Divide both sides by root 29. Why we need to divide? Now if you compare this equation with Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D, then we can say that the value of D is here 6 by root 29. L, M, N are direction cosine, and this is the formula of direction cosine. 2 by this one minus 3 by this one 4 by this one. अगर तुम लोग डायरेक्ट 2, -3, 4 लिखोगे तो direction cosine, then this will be wrong. These are 2, -3 and 4 are nothing but direction ratios. Okay, whereas 2 by this, -3 by this, 4 by these are direction cosines. और क्वेश्चन में हमेशा L, M, N का वैल्यू दिया रहता है, not A, B, C. Okay, so in this way we can find the distance. So here the value of D is 6 by root 29. Okay, some more questions I will discuss in the next class. Thank you for today.